That's right, I got another car. And you know, since it is a Subaru, we should probably go give it a test. And I've got the perfect place to go, right behind my house. So I'm not actually going to make this video about that Impreza. That's just a new daily driver that I picked up. Obviously this video is actually going to be about the rally project and what's to come and when you can actually expect it. So obviously the whole reason that I'm building this car is to run in stage rally. And if you know about stage rally, you know that this car doesn't meet those requirements at all. No cage, no safety equipment, nothing. It's got a turbo. I haven't done stage rally before, so having a turbo, you can't run in Rally America, and you can only run limited in American Rally Association. So the reason that I did all this stuff to the car, just to kind of have to undo it when I actually go to stage rally, was to try to get all that experience that I can rally crossing and not have any downtime of the car being down for repairs or anything like that with the old engine. But unfortunately, as you could tell by the lack of any rallycross videos this year, there's only been one rallycross that hasn't been canceled. So the next and final event for the car is coming up this Sunday, and it's going to be an autocross, not a rallycross, which is really unfortunate, but it's still going to be fun to test out the car one last time and actually see what that engine can do before I pull it out and put that slow one back in. But after this Sunday, that's when the car is getting fully stripped. It's going to go up on a rotisserie, fully seam welded, start throwing the cage in there, and then begin prepping it. Now, when I actually think this will be done, I'm hoping for March, and I'm probably going to be wrong. Plus, I haven't really done a build like this to this full extent, and I really want to take my time with it and make sure everything is done the way that I want, and that the car is going to last for a long time, as long as I don't crash it, which more than likely, it's probably going to get wrecked a few times. But hopefully nothing major in the future. So you look forward to seeing videos pretty soon, probably in the next week, of this getting completely stripped and then eventually thrown on my rotisserie so that I can fully seam weld underneath and take care of any rust on the underside of it. Appreciate all the support and you guys watching the videos. Definitely stay tuned for future updates.